Exit India if you can't follow our constitution. Chief Justice of India, Justice Surya Kant, warned Meta over WhatsApp's 2021 privacy policy today. The Supreme Court today questioned Meta over the take it or leave it privacy policy of WhatsApp, observing that it was in fact a clever attempt by the tech giant to steal data from Indian citizens for monetary benefits. Now, terming the language of privacy policy as deliberately misleading, the Chief Justice asked that will a person who belongs to a rural area of Bihar or who only understands Tamil be able to understand these lengthy clauses by WhatsApp or intentions behind them? In what could be a major setback to Meta, the Supreme Court today expressed its intention to stay the operation of this 2021 privacy policy, which in fact forces WhatsApp users to share data with Meta and other platforms linked with Meta. The top court is likely to pass certain directions to that effect next Monday. The dispute traces back to WhatsApp's 2021 privacy policy update, which triggered regulatory scrutiny over how our user data is being handled across Meta Group. NCLAT last year in November had in fact upheld the penalty imposed by the Competition Commission of India on WhatsApp and Meta over the same issue. The penalty was nearly of 213 crores. WhatsApp has in fact challenged that order here in the Supreme Court. However, NCLAT had in fact set aside the direction by the Competition Commission, which had barred WhatsApp from sharing our data with Meta. Now, this entire matter has escalated to the Supreme Court. Chief Justice of India, Justice Surya Kant today said, not once, but at least thrice, that if Meta and WhatsApp cannot respect the right to privacy of Indian citizens, they are free to leave the country. When counsel appearing for Meta told the court that data sharing is optional and the user may choose to opt out if they do not agree with the policy, Justice Surya Kant asked that what is the choice really with the WhatsApp user when WhatsApp itself is a monopoly in the market? He will have to accept the policies. The court went on to assert the right to privacy as a fundamental right and said that it will not allow Meta or WhatsApp to make a mockery of the Indian Constitution. An important question, however, has been raised by the top court today that what if WhatsApp agreed to share our data with next buyer, like it agreed to share our data with Meta when it was bought over by Meta. What if it is bought over by someone else? Then it will share our data with them also. Now, what makes the Supreme Court and central government equally worried that the information shared on WhatsApp chats may be used for commercial gains by Meta, so that we are shown targeted advertisements on other platforms like Instagram, email, YouTube, and so on. And this is just one of those concerns. The Chief Justice of India quoted from his own personal experience, sharing that how he once took prescription on WhatsApp from his doctor, and the very next moment he was flooded with advertisements of those medicines. Now, observing that every unit of data with regard to an individual, irrespective of the question of privacy, has a financial value attached to it, the Supreme Court said that it will now examine how behavioral tendencies of users and trends are being utilized and monetized by Meta. With both center and top court on the same page on Meta's exploitative policy, a major intervention is expected soon. What's your take on this entire hearing today? Do tell us in the comments below.